Good day, everyone. I'm John L.M. Sotilio.
I'm Gabriel and Cici Butler.
And for this video, we're going to interview BSA 1 students of St. Jude College, Las Marinas, Cavite, FEMA Education about the advantages and disadvantages of technology.
With this interview, we hope to understand the impacts of science and technology in our society.
I'm going to interview students about the advantages of technology.
And I'll interview the students about the disadvantages of technology.
Tara, samahan niyo kami dahil sa St. Jude FEMA Education, sasamahan kita. So good day. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Rizamel Dialor.
My name is Sean Mayben Sipadrique.
My name is Melka Dortego.
Hello, my name is Women Bing Kabuhay.
Hi, my name is Joyce Emmanuel D. Silvoro.
For me, one of the advantage in terms of in the side of the teachers are it became easier for them to present their lesson or their discussion through Canva or PowerPoint presentation or any platform that would help them to make it more engaging when they're presenting to their audiences or their students. And for the students naman, it became more easier for them to find answer to their questions, and they also can watch educational videos and read any related article that is interconnected with their topic. And with that, this allows them to learn beyond their place and to explore more things. Thank you.
In my opinion, high technology help us to improve our daily life activity and make it easier, especially for those agriculture workers. They're not be needed to finishing their tasks manually.
So the advantage of technology when it comes to communication are first, the deliverance of the message that are being conveyed. Before we are relying on typewriters and handwritten letters. But since now we are in a generation of digitals, we have accessible Wi-Fi, smartphones that will help us to convey a message to someone. Second, we have here so-called the communication aid, the AEC, which stands for Augmented and Alternative Communication, that helps in improve the clarity of the information that are being conveyed. Lastly, if we were compare the process of communication before and now, we can clearly see that it is way much easier now than before.
In my opinion, technology greatly improved healthcare, not just the machine but also the people. More smarter that it helped the doctor to find the problem more faster and fix them more precisely. Also, it made easier too. Just like everyone could get help through online, no matter where they are. Plus, digital record get everything organized. In case you need it in the future, you will find it. Also, technology is essentially making healthcare better and more accessible to us. So, yeah, technology is an advantage for all of us.
I think the advantages of technology is for the economic growth, especially when the pandemic started. A lot of people started online business. Based on my experience, I gained more customers and by posting and promoting my products in different platforms of social media.
My name is Kashana T. Minyana III.
My name is John Mark A. Solis.
My name is Lawrence Villamento.
I think one of the disadvantages of technology, especially in education, is the over-reliance to AI. Because for me, it's reducing the critical thinking of those students who rely everything to AI. For example, even a simple essay, they'll ask AI to do it for them.
I think one of the disadvantages of using technology is it can cause physical health problems. Especially in my experience, since I use too much gadgets and spend too much time on it, it leads to my eyesight to get worse, and now I have to wear glasses.
One of the disadvantage of technology, especially in social media, is the rapid spread of disinformation and fake news, especially to those people who are not that literate in terms of digital literacy. They are the ones who are vulnerable in these kinds of trends.
This is technology, not just the gadget we hold, but the vast interconnected web that makes our world run. It is an engine of constant change, moving us forward at an astonishing pace. Technology offers two sides, a remarkable achievement and challenges. It drives efficiency and productivity across all sectors, from advanced medical access to e-commerce and global communication. But it also creates a gap for those without access, raises privacy concerns, losing jobs, and might lead to isolation or misinformations. While it drives progress, it depends on our ability to responsibly manage the disadvantage and ensure its benefits. So, use it wisely.